So let's say you have newspaper website and a blog website, you would like to use this ticket option. So this is the news sticker. When you hover over this text, it will stop, and when you unhover the text, it will running the text. So how you can set this news sticker on your newspaper website or blogging website? That's a very easy tricks, and today I'm going to share with you this video. And if you think this video is very helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Also comment this video. If you don't like this video, also comment below. Okay, so this is the very easy thing. Just go to your plugin section, and here you will just type t4b news sticker actually, and here you click install now. Right down, click activate. Okay, all right, it's already installed, and I will search t4b and click this setting icon, and here is the enter the title trigger. Title, that means this one, the text, the title. So here I will update news and news sticker type. So here type will be category, tag or custom tag. I would like to use custom text. So here we can say this one go to the post page, and depending on where you want to display, just I'll just copy this text, and it would like to show over here, actually over here. So don't worry about it, just click save change and copy the shortcode and go back to your Elementor or widget or anywhere you would like to display. I would like to show it by Elementor. Go to the page section and all page, and with the home page I would click in the edit the home page, and I would like to display over and over here. Okay, click this over here and just click plus, and the structure will be full width, and here I will type shortcode and drag and drop it over here and paste the shortcode. As you can see, this is the this is the trigger, actually this is the sticker. And click this update, and if you see the website, and here you are the news sticker. Okay, I think you understand. So if you would like to change the color and don't want this border, you can set it customly CSS. Okay, so in order to do, I'll just keep it inspect element. So later I will make a video about it, and that is how to delete this border and how to change the color. So you can set it by customly using CSS. So I think you can understand this video, and hope this video is very helpful for you. And if you think this video is also very helpful, please like and comment below. And this video is not very helpful, please also comment below. Thank you very much.